Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru BRZ. This is Subaru's competitor to the long reign of the Mazda Miata. For the BRZ, Toyota and Subaru partnered with each other, and back in 2013, Toyota had the subdivision of Scion, so there was technically 3 versions of this car. The BRZ, the FRS, and the GT86. Currently in 2020, Scion has gone away, so we are left with the 86 and the BRZ. However, the BRZ is still my favorite. Seats are really comfortable. Nice leather-lined door trim. Automatic windows, a non-latched visor. Oh, look at it. So you'll see throughout the car kind of these triangles are prevalent, and the whole back of the visor is these triangles. You do have back seats with child seat anchors. Take a look at this window sticker. So this one has the performance package, which includes your Brembo brakes, the dark gray finish, and different suspension. Nice little cubby here. But yeah, I say without further ado, let's go for a drive, because that's where this thing really shines. 205 horsepower by a naturally aspirated non-forced induction flat 4. Such an awesome sound. Love the gearbox too. It is a joy to go through these gears. Rev match downshifts are a piece of cake. Clutch is nice and light, really short throw to the clutch pedal. And while everybody says the BRZ is underpowered, I just don't think they were driving it right. This is a phenomenal car. Plenty of power for what it is. It's designed to be a fun backroads car, and that's exactly what it excels at. Absolutely sensational. Sure, they should have made a turbocharged version of it, but it's such a balanced car. Everything is perfect. Your brakes are perfect for the size of the car. Gearbox, clutch feel. This is and was designed to be a purist sports car. And that's exactly what it is. I mean, total price on this one's just over $30,000. I cannot think of a more fun car to drive under $30,000. Maybe the Miata. I haven't driven a Miata in about a year and a half, so I really can't say. But what I can say is I love the interior of the BRZ more. The sound of it is so distinctive. And just the overall driving dynamics of this car are unmatched by anything else. Golly, this car is good. And I know people that drive these all winter long too, without an issue. Put some snow tires on this, maybe a little weight in the back, and you will have no issues. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.